Hi guys, are you looking for the best cordless lawn dethatcher to revive your lawn and promote healthy grass growth? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top performing cordless lawn dethatchers of the year, considering power, battery life, features, and real life results. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Yariork 16-inch electric dethatcher and scarifier. The Yariork dethatcher stands out with its powerful 15-amp motor and wide 16-inch working path, making it one of the most efficient options on this list. Capable of reaching up to 3,500 revolutions per minute, it delivers strong performance for medium to large lawns. By removing thatch and moss while simultaneously improving soil aeration, it promotes healthier and more vibrant grass growth. Its two-in-one versatility allows you to switch between dethatcher and scarifier functions, catering to different lawn care needs throughout the year. With 5 adjustable working depths, you can choose settings that suit your lawn's condition, whether that requires gentle surface cleaning or deep soil aeration. Another advantage of this model is its eco-friendly design. As a fully electric dethatcher, it eliminates the need for gas, producing zero emissions and quieter operation. This makes it a more sustainable and user-friendly choice compared to traditional gas-powered machines. The foldable handle adds convenience by making it easier to store when not in use, while the 14.5-gallon collection bag ensures debris is gathered neatly during operation. Built with sturdy alloy steel, the Yariork dethatcher offers durability for long-term use. Its efficient performance, large collection capacity, and thoughtful design make it a great pick for homeowners seeking a high-powered solution. Number 4. MZK 13-inch electric dethatcher and scarifier. The MZK 13-inch dethatcher is a compact but capable option designed for smaller lawns and homeowners seeking efficiency at an affordable price. With a 13-amp motor, it provides reliable performance for routine dethatching and scarifying tasks. The two-in-one functionality means you can switch between removing thatch buildup and aerating soil without needing multiple machines. Its 4-position height adjustment gives you control over how aggressively you want to dethatch or scarify, making it adaptable for different lawn conditions. The removable thatch collection bag adds convenience by capturing debris as you work, helping to keep your yard clean and minimizing the need for additional cleanup. Weighing less than many larger models, this dethatcher is easy to maneuver, even in tighter spaces. Number 3. Works Nitro 40V Cordless Lawn Dethatcher. The Works Nitro 40V Dethatcher is designed for homeowners who want a balance of strong performance and cordless flexibility. Powered by a brushless motor, it provides enhanced efficiency and longer life compared to standard motors. With a 14-inch working width, it effectively clears thatch from medium-sized lawns, while its two-in-one dethatcher and scarifying setup ensures your grass not only looks good, but also grows stronger and healthier. One of the biggest advantages of this unit is that it comes with 2 batteries and a charger included. This ensures extended runtime and eliminates the frustration of stopping mid-task due to power shortages. The batteries are interchangeable with other Works 40V tools. Number 2. Greenworks 40V Dethatcher and Scarifier. The Greenworks 40V Dethatcher and Scarifier is a battery-powered option that blends mobility with efficiency. With a 14-inch path, it allows users to cover medium-sized lawns effectively while enjoying the freedom of cordless operation. No cords mean fewer limitations, which makes it especially useful for larger yards or areas where outlets are not convenient. This model features a 2-in-one design, giving you the option to switch between dethatching and scarifying with ease. The quick-swap tine reels make changing functions straightforward, so you can go from lifting dead thatch to aerating soil in minutes. Stainless steel tines provide long-lasting sharpness and durability, ensuring consistent performance across multiple uses. Adjustability is another strength of the Greenworks Dethatcher. It offers 5 different working depths, giving you flexibility depending on the thickness of your thatch and the health of your lawn. Whether you are working in early spring to prepare cool season grasses or midsummer to revive warm season grasses, this unit adapts well to seasonal lawn care. Number 1. DT1516 Electric Dethatcher and Scarifier. The DT1516 earns the top spot because of its impressive combination of raw power, versatility, and user-friendly features. Equipped with a 15-amp motor capable of producing up to 3,300 revolutions per minute, this machine makes quick work of thatch buildup and compacted soil. With a 16-inch cutting path, it covers more ground in less time, saving you both effort and hours of labor compared to smaller models. What sets this dethatcher apart is its dual-purpose design. It comes with a dethatching head that uses 24 steel tines to lift and remove thatch effectively, while its scarifying head with 20 blades helps aerate the soil. This not only clears your lawn of debris, but also creates channels that let water, oxygen, and nutrients penetrate deep into the roots. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.